Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil once again. So let's see where market can move and how we can trade for tomorrow. The first things last we have done discussed after opening the flat range will buy in the market. But market has done completely against surprising move today as exactly was he done before. If you remember in our previous video, we also about to buy in the market after opening the flat range. Then after opening in the at the resistance level, he sharp flip from the top. Exactly, he just copied the things after opening the flat. He aggressively sell from the top. So I hope you didn't lose anything because we had a plan that we will sell in the market after closing 14,000 round level below, and our plan was to buy in the market as soon as it cross. If I say as soon as it cross, that means the market need to make a green candle, then it need to cross. So if you switch onto the 5 minute time frame, there was no any green candle on the market within 15 to 20 minutes, I think. So that's things you can get the idea. This is how you will get the idea. We planning to buy in the market as soon as it cross. We give the condition to the market, but market after opening the 5 minutes, he started making great candle. He continuously started sharp selling from the top. So there was no any buying signal in the market. So if I hope you didn't lose anything. So our because our plan is to sell only below 40,000 round level. And the second important price point, if I tell you, the market is completely on the range. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days activity on the similar on the same range. Both the player buyer and seller both are confused what is going to happen. We don't know the news, what is going to be happen, what impact will market going to see. Or so he both player, either seller, either buyer, both are player are confused on the market. So this is the only the reason, if I didn't say wrong, this is only the reason market is waiting to move somewhere. So according to the technical analysis, the way market is moved, if it is break on the higher side or even in the lower side, we can see a directional momentum within a short time. That means market can move sharply on the upside, or even if it is a break on the downside, we can see sharply downfall even in the market. So market is now waiting for something that could be, I don't know the news. I don't see any global data or any kind of news for the stock market. I just see the price, just because the price will tell you everything. Look, if you see the previous, if you see the previous chart, previous candle delta frame, it was more continuously going on the higher side. Then it was a retracement trade, which is okay. That after opening, after reaching that level, he become completely sideways. Even at the same day's trading activity, similar range, it's kind of like you need to understand that market is waiting for something. That means it's the news. It could be good news, that could be bad news. So let the market decide where he wants to go. Then we will according to the market, we will take a plan either upside or downside. So let the market decide what he wants to go. So let's switch on to the 50-minute time frame to understand how we can take a trade for tomorrow. We had a plan that we will sell in the market. So we had a plan that we need to wait one more day to sell in the market, because these are the momentum for the previous day was completely strong side. So for the selling each and everything, see, this is the confusing momentum. I understand that it was selling price action by selling, but we didn't plan because these are the buyer are in the market already. So it need to close below 14,000 round level, so we can get the idea that buyer are not interested in the market, seller are aggressive even from the top, even from this range. So let's see. So for example, let's see market going to open in this range 14050. Then after opening in this range, you just need to wait as soon as it close this range, close a 14,000 round level candle closing, you can short aggressively. Your target should be 13,800 or 13,850. This is going to be your general target for the selling side after opening in this range. And the moment the range will be closed, not as soon as it crosses, you need a candle closing, because in the selling side you need a confirmation. So the confirmation is going to make once the candle will become closed below this range. But if I say the buying side, as soon as it crosses, you can buy in the market. This is how the price works. So after opening in this range, as soon as it closed this candle in 5 minute time frame, you can sell in the market the target 13,800, 13,850. So suppose we planning to sell in the market, and market directly opening the gap down, then it's look like you don't get the clear trend, because this is going to be crucial support for the market. And 13,800 round level might be put short heavily, and 13,700, this kind of range has been put short heavily in the market. So chances are it is going to act as a support for the market. So after opening the diagonal gap down, maybe it will become a completely volatile range, because these are the resistance will become act for the market. And this kind of like 13,800, this is going to be support for the market. So market will become a completely sideways for tomorrow, I think. So and so suppose market going directly opening, so one condition again, so after opening directly on the gap up, then you need to see the price action, because after opening the gap up, the buy will get the most advantage in the market, because the stop loss they can generally put here, so they can work with small stop loss. But if you wanted to buy in the market after opening the gap up, you need to wait till first half, which is 9:30 to 12:30, 1:30, it could be any time. You need to wait, market need to hold itself from the top side, then after breakout 14 to 200, 12:30, 1:30 breakout, you can buy that, you can buy for 100 and 150 point. It could be for gap up only, and buying planning will be after a second half, 12:30, 1:30 breakout, market need to hold first, because these are the strong seller, they will try to sell in the market again. So if buyer are in the market, generally they will put stop loss here, then market need to hold, then after 12:30 to 1:30 breakout, we can planning to buy in the market for 14,300 round level. So let's see where market can move, so we will plan according to what we had discussed now, right now. So let's concentrate on the stock, which is stock we can trade. I'll give you only one stock. So let's hit the like button who take a trade on Visa stock, that we had a plan for buying. The stock market has give you first 1:2, then he retrace after from the upside. So definitely he made a one stock we will take tomorrow, which is Abbott Laboratory, for the buying side. Abbott Laboratory, because if you see the, if you understand the price, seller definitely this is going to be a resistance that has been tested multiple time, but these are the resistance levels seller try to sell again and again, again and again. And also today was the day market has opened gap down. I was also about to sell in the market, but market has done completely on a positive closing. So these are the support resistance. This was support, and this is going to be resistance. So this resistance level also has been tested multiple times for the market, so chances are very high. He done closing 122.64. As soon as it cross 123, you can buy in the market. The target going to be 1:2. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys, and if you learn something, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video again.